NordVPN Netflix error, how to fix streaming issues while connected to NordVPN. Streaming issues while connected to NordVPN can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve them. Here are some detailed tips. General troubleshooting. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet is stable and working properly before troubleshooting NordVPN. 2. Restart your device. A simple reboot can resolve many common issues. 3. Update NordVPN. Make sure your NordVPN app is up to date. 4. Try a different server. Some servers may be blocked by streaming services. Switching to another server in the same region can help. 5. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a browser, clearing cache and cookies can resolve streaming issues. 6. Disable threat protection. If Nord's Threat Protection or Threat Protection Pro trademark is enabled, try disabling it. 7. Use NordVPN DNS addresses. Set your DNS to Nord's addresses, 103.86.99.100 and 103.86.96.100. Device specific. Fixes. Windows/Mac OS/Linux, try using a different browser or incognito mode. If issues persist, use the NordVPN browser extension instead of the app. Android/iOS, force stop the streaming app, clear its cache, and restart it. If using a browser, clear the browser cache. Android TV boxes, connect to a different server in the region where you want to access the streaming service.